Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Elite Weather. My name is Mr. G, your weather forecaster today. And tonight we're going to be talking about that weather forecast as we round out the rest of your weekend here. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. And again, my prayers go out to the folks down in Mississippi and Alabama that were victims of those devastating tornadoes that caused a lot of devastation down across the Mississippi River Valley. But we're going to be still dealing with some severe thunderstorms tonight across the south, and we're going to take a look at that here in just a moment. Let's jump into our first map here as we take a look at what we're going to be seeing out there. And warm conditions will continue across the southern plains and across the south coast tonight. In the southeast, we're going to be seeing those rain showers, some thunderstorms along the southeastern coast and on up towards the northeast for your Sunday. And we're going to be seeing some rain showers and some snow across the extreme northern portions of the northeast and in parts of the Great Lakes. We're going to be seeing snow also across the northwestern half of the United States, the high plains and the Pacific Northwest. We'll be seeing some snow. Some more snow will fall across the Cascades, rain down on the western valleys near the coast, and some rain going to start to move into Northern California and snow in the Sierra Nevada. Now let's take a look at our next map. This is our live radar right now, and we are seeing those snow showers taking place across the Rockies out there. The southern Rockies too, we have some snow showers and some rain showers as well down to parts of New Mexico, and we're seeing some snow showers through the Dakotas. And here's a nice area of snow across the Midwest here through Iowa and through Wisconsin. Now, I do have to talk about some snow that we saw across eastern Wisconsin near Green Bay down towards Madison, where they picked up 22 inches of snow in a 7-hour period, as our last storm we had yesterday that's making its way into the northeast right now had a very well-defined deformation band set up over there, and we saw that very heavy snow through parts of the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes. We're looking at rain showers down across the southeast through the Carolinas and along the Gulf Coast as well. We're looking for severe thunderstorms to break out in this activity this afternoon and tonight, but fortunately right now we don't have any weather warnings in place down across the south, but remember there is a possibility for some severe thunderstorms tonight. Again, let's look at that severe thunderstorm potential for this afternoon and evening down across the south. Tornadoes are going to be possible, especially right in this region here where the red is, the across of Mississippi and Alabama and Louisiana. We could be seeing the potential for some tornadoes in that area. Large hail is going to be possible, damaging wind gusts between 60 and 70 miles per hour. Some of the strongest storms can hit gusts up to 80. And then heavy rainfall will also fall this afternoon and evening. Some areas could pick up as much as 4 to 8 inches of rain through parts of the south as well, from central Georgia over into central Alabama and central Mississippi, where we're going to be seeing those heaviest rainfall amounts. And then we're going to also be seeing widespread showers and thunderstorms across the south as we have that warm, humid air coming up off of the Gulf of Mexico. We do have a frontal boundary in place across the mid-south as well. We're seeing that front extend from East Texas, Louisiana, through parts of central Mississippi, central Alabama, central Georgia, central South Carolina, and over into eastern North Carolina. So that frontal boundary will be the focus for showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and through the Monday and Tuesday as well, as that frontal boundary is going to be stationary and remain in place for the most part. It may waver back and forth a little bit, but we're going to be seeing that possibility of showers and thunderstorms down across the south into your day on Tuesday and beyond, because we do have another storm that's headed that direction that's going to bring another round of severe weather across the south as we get to about the middle to the end of next work week. So we're also going to be seeing a little bit of weather taking place across the northeast this afternoon and evening on your Sunday. we're going to be seeing a little bit of snow across the far northern end of New England. So Maine and Vermont, New Hampshire, northern Maine, northern Vermont, the northern end of New Hampshire could see a bit of snow, and a few inches is going to be possible. But down to the south of that, we're going to have cold air blowing in as those winds are screaming in from the northwest, as we do have high pressure starting to build in from the west across the Great Lakes. So that's going to make things rather cool and quite windy as well. A little bit of mild air going to start to advance from the south, as we do have that frontal boundary coming up from the south. So we will be seeing temperatures a bit warmer down the DC area and in the Virginia corridor. On the west coast, we do have another storm that's going to be moving in from Monday and through Thursday. We're going to be dealing with another atmospheric river storm. So we're going to be seeing heavy rain all over the western half of the United States, California up to Oregon as well. So Portland, San Francisco, LA, and San Diego are all going to be seeing heavy rain again this week as that flooding possibility continues, and we're going to be seeing those gusty winds and heavy mountain snow and more drought busting rainfall. So that's some good news, but unfortunately sometimes that rain can cause a lot of flooding, which can create a lot of problems. So let's hope we can get that rainfall to fall at a measurement that's able to be absorbed without causing problems with flooding. We're going to be seeing more snow across the Sierra Nevada here. So again, more issue with that flooding because of some snow melt down at the lower elevations, strong wind gusts. There will be some widespread travel disruptions. So if you're on I-80, I-5, you're going to be dealing with heavy rain that could lead to some flooding issues on the roadways. And we're going to be dealing with that heavy snow coming over Donner Pass and coming out of Nevada. So again, a lot of wintry precipitation that's going to cause some problems for semis and other high-profile vehicles. Could also cause airport delays. Some thunderstorms could be possible down in Southern California that could cause delays at LAX and some of the 5 LA area international airports. I mean, good grief, a lot of airports down in the LA area. Snow is going to really be a problem across the Sierra Nevada. We're going to be seeing snow falling in the feet, several feet of snow, maybe another 3 to 4 feet possible in portions of the Sierra Nevada with this latest storm as well, which is going to add to the 600 plus inches many of you have seen across the Sierra Nevada. And that heavy rain could dump at least 4 inches or more of rain across parts of Northern California. I think at the initial onset of this next storm, Northern California is going to be more of a focus for the rainfall than down to the south, where we could see upwards of 4 inches, but 2 inches is still going to be possible down to near the LA area with this storm as well. And we're going to be looking at our storm as it moves out of the United States into the Midwest. By Friday, we're going to be seeing that storm across the Plain States that's going to be pulling up that warm, humid air off the Gulf of Mexico. That cold air is going to be coming in out of Canada and across the Rockies and the northern plains. So that's going to combine to make snow in the north. So we're going to be seeing snow across the Midwest. Could possibly see some snow by Friday across Minneapolis and St. Paul. We're going to be seeing snow across the northern plains and over into Wyoming and Colorado. Rain showers through the Midwest in the Chicago area, through Wisconsin and Iowa and Nebraska. But thunderstorms is going to be possible down to the south, and we're going to be seeing some severe weather across the southern plains, and as well as into the Ozarks and the lower Mississippi Valley could have that potential for some severe thunderstorms again. Our severe weather potential on Friday will be on late Thursday into Friday night. We're going to be seeing it again, like I said, across the southern plains, East Texas, parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, and into Louisiana, Arkansas, and Missouri, western Illinois. So another round of severe weather for parts of the Midwest and the southern plains as we head towards the Friday of this upcoming week. So again, something else to be watchful for. I'm going to keep updating this weather forecast as we progress in time. My name is Mr. G. Leave your likes, comments, feel free to subscribe. Bye-bye.